Hey, good afternoon, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. I believe it's video number 93 now. So, I've got some earnings on money that came in over the last couple days. Today is Sunday. It's a weekend day, of course. We don't earn on the weekends, but Friday, our earning percentage there was 0.68%, as you see. Made $120.85 on the money I've invested. And also yesterday on Saturday morning, I got some bonuses that came in. As you see, $4.04, then $43.05, and $13.05, which came out to $60.59 there, guys. So yeah, so my bonus came in. That's almost like a day's, maybe like a lower day worth of earning, but that's some extra commission that came in. So with that being said, guys, I took a huge chunk of my money and I did some things with it. First of all, I took $400, and if you notice from my last video was 22,800. Now I'm at 23,200. So I took $400 of my earnings over 10 days, which was actually $1,100. I think it was, no, it was 1,000. Yeah, $1,043. That's how much I made in 10 days, guys, of earnings, which is 2 weeks. So I had my biggest 2 weeks of earnings, guys, and just having my money in the system, just earning money for me automatically on autopilot. So I took that and I $400 reinvested it back in the system, and then I took the remainder, which I'll show you guys down here, which was, there it is, $624.44. I took that and I did a withdrawal. So I took that out and yeah, guys, transferred it to my S wallet here from S Group, and then from S wallet to actually from S wallet I converted it to Bitcoin, sent it out to ShakePay, which is an app where you can transfer your money to your checking account via e-transfer. So Bitcoined it, sent it to ShakePay, and then once it's within ShakePay, I converted to Canadian funds, and then from then I transferred to my bank account. So the whole process took about an hour and 15 minutes. Well, it didn't take too long this time. So yeah, guys. So now I'm just moving ahead. So what I'm going to start doing from this point on, I'm actually going to take $400 of my earnings over 2 weeks, reinvested back into the principal, which is here. So in 2 weeks' time, this is going to be 23,600, and then 2 weeks after that, it's going to be 24,000, as you'll see. So it's going to go up $400. So, and then what I'm going to do is, so like I said, so I'm going to take $400 of 2 weeks of my earnings, reinvest it back in here, and then take the remainder and transfer to my bank account. So that's going to be my ways of with my money here for the next I don't know, probably almost forever, guys. I just want to keep growing the principal, because the higher the principal means the more money I'm going to get as the earnings come in day by day, between Monday and Friday, guys. So as you see, I have everything in S Forex. I don't know, maybe a year from now I might throw some money into like liquidity mining, S Pharmaceutical, S IPO. As you see, those other areas you can invest in S Group. Of course, it's just like Forex. Once you put your money in those areas, everything's done automatically through their automatic bot that does all the trading and earnings for you guys. So it's pretty sweet, like having money come in. Let's take a look at my notification bill. Money like this, guys, coming in. 120 bucks, 153 bucks. $73, $129, $97, $43. See, this is a lower day, but I still made $43. So you can have funds like that come in all the time, guys, every day between Monday and Friday, because those are the trading days. So getting down the last 30 seconds of this video, guys, I just wanted to make a quick 5-minute daily review video to update you guys, so you guys can see my progress as you see things are growing. If you're interested in joining S Group, there's a sign up link in the description down below. Click that link. You can sign up underneath my team. Also, shoot me an email when you sign up, or if you have any questions, I'll email you right back. My email is in the description down below. And oh yeah, also lastly, don't forget to click on the sign up button down below so you can be subscribed to my channel and see all my updates. All right, so see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much. Take care.